All right, so we are working on another example where we're going to subtract linear expressions. So the first thing that we want to do is remember we want to remove everything from our parentheses. So we have minus 3x plus 9. And then over here we have our double sign. So let's see what happens here. Okay, we have a negative times a negative. That's going to become a positive, and then that's a 7. And then here we have a positive and a negative. That becomes a negative, and then we'll put 8x here. Okay, so we've taken those outside of the parentheses. And now what we need to do is remember set up our columns according to like our bin system. So we have an x, we have a constant, we have a constant, we have an x. So I'm going to use one of the quantities for our x bin. So I'm going to say negative 3x. And then I have positive 9, and I'm just checking them off as I go so that I know that it has been addressed. This is a positive 7, so that needs to go under the constants. And then we have a negative 8x that needs to go under the x values. Okay. And so now we're going to look at that. Now, remember, if we're going in the same direction, in this case, we're going in the negative direction and still going in the negative direction. Remember, you use addition and you use the sign of whatever direction you're moving in. So in this case, we have 3 and 8 both going in the negative direction. So you're at a total of 11 x's, and they're both going in the negative direction. So we're going to keep that there. Okay. And then we have a positive 9 and a positive 7. So again, you're going to add those. So that becomes 16. They're both going in the positive direction. So it would be plus 16. So this is your answer.